So this exercise is kind of easy because we already have the position and the final velocity right here. So we have the initial velocity, which is 0 meters per second, the final velocity, which is 203 kilometers per hour. And this part right here, we have to convert it to meters per second, which is 56.38 meters per second. And then we have the position, which is 2,000 meters. So now we use the formula of final velocity, which is initial velocity squared plus 2 times acceleration times position. The final velocity, we have it all converted, which is 56.38, and this is a square. The initial velocity is 0. This is a square as well. 2, we don't have the acceleration, that's what we're looking for, and the position is 2,000. And we have that acceleration is 0.7949 meters per second square, which is answer letter D.